So if you have the ability to rank your videos to the top of YouTube, that simply means you're going to get more traffic, more leads, and more sales. That's what we're talking about in this video. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you a video that I actually shot on my second YouTube channel where I'm showing you a case study of where I'm ranking a ton of videos. Now, keep in mind, guys, on my second YouTube channel, I have a small amount of subscribers and I've gotten a small amount of views on the majority of these videos, but yet I'm actually making hundreds and even thousands of dollars because I'm going to show you guys a special tool that I'm going to use within this video tutorial that's helping me rank my videos high and getting that free traffic, the leads, and sales. So I'm going to actually cut to that video so you guys can see it in real time. And by the way, if you haven't gone over to my second channel and subscribed there, you definitely want to go over there. We're having a lot of fun doing a lot of different things, showing you some different products, services, tools, softwares, programs, things that I'm using in my business right now to make money and build my business. So you definitely want to go over there because you don't want to miss all of those videos. I don't publish a lot of the things that I talk about over there. I'm not talking about on this channel. So you want to make sure you subscribe to both. So we're going to cut to that video, and this is going to show you how I'm able to rank videos and how you can do it too by using this particular tool. So it's going to jump right in. Hey, what's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And today in this video, I'm actually going to be reviewing the Video Marketing Blaster software. Now, if you're not familiar with the software, this is a software that helps you generate YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags with just a few clicks. And with this software and the power that it actually has, you're going to be able to rank your videos in both YouTube and in Google. In fact, I want to show you guys some proof right before we even go into the demo. And you can see here, this is my brand spanking new channel. It's only been around for maybe a month and a half. I only have 180 subscribers here. So you can see that it's not a lot of subscribers. So there's not going to be a ton of channel authority, and I don't get a lot of views. But what I am able to do is I'm able to get some top rankings, and I'm going to actually show you guys some proof of that right now. And with those top rankings, I am able to generate affiliate sales. In fact, I just did a video on my first channel where I actually showed and did a case study and showed how I was generating hundreds and hundreds and really even thousands of dollars with just a small channel posting these particular videos, but utilizing the software that will help you rank these videos so that you can get the traffic and the sales. So again, here's my channel. It's called John McNeil Internet Marketing Reviews. On this channel, we teach you about reviewing products and software tools, all the things that I basically use in my business to either make money or just help me build my business, right? So let's just actually look at some examples. So first, let's just look at, this is a recent product that I actually just started doing a review for, and I'm going to actually do some more reviews of this product actually. So it's Mass Traffic Blueprint. You can see I've got a top ranking here, and you also got to think about like a lot of these channels that I am ranking against, they have a lot more views, a lot more channel authority. Here's a big promotion that I was doing recently with this product. It's called My Online Startup, which is a ClickBank product that I sell. So I wanted to basically get in the top rankings for that particular keyword. You can actually see that I've done it here. I'm number 2, and I probably have a couple other videos down here. If I scroll down, you can see a couple more videos that I've done that actually ranked for those keywords. But you can see I have a second position here. Also ranked My Online Startup Review. So you can actually rank for multiple different keywords. So you can see I have another ranking here. You got another video of myself here. I probably have some videos here if you scroll down a little bit. So basically just trying to dominate some of these keywords. This is another software called Videos. I just did a review for this a little while back, and this actually got a lot of traffic. And you can see here, guys, this is probably one of the best examples of this actual method. But this was a software review that I did, and it's getting a ton of traffic. It's getting over 3,400 views at the time of me making this video. And what's really cool about it is look at the videos that it's going up against. So you're looking at, you know, this channel here, it has 27,000 views on it, and it's been up for 2 months. This has 12,000 views. It's been up for 2 years, and it's ranking, you know, against or above some of these channels that have 42,000 views, 8,500 views, 11,000 views. And you got to understand, guys, I'm in the incognito window, so it's not pulling from like my search algorithm or anything like this. This is the incognito window, so this is just what the actual results are. And so this is actually ranking with all of these videos that are making reviews about that. So, and subsequently I made a lot of affiliate commissions with this particular software. And again, if you guys want to see some of the money that I earned, I'll actually post that video. I did it just, I want to say a week or two on my other channel, and I showed you actual income proof of me making money with these different softwares. Here's another one, Thumbnail Blaster review, and I'm right here. So I'm like number 6, which is still, good, being that I'm still getting a little bit of traffic, and I've actually made sales with this too. Even with 147 views, I've been able to generate sales with this Thumbnail Blaster. And again, look at the competition. I'm going up with people that have had, established channels, thousands and thousands of views, have been on, for a year, 9 months, you see, and I'm still here ranking. And if I actually probably worked a little bit harder, maybe even created another video or two around the Thumbnail Blast, I could probably get a couple more videos in these top rankings, which will help drive more traffic and sales to my actual affiliate link. Now that I've actually kind of showed you guys some proof of how you can actually get rankings, I actually want to actually go through a demo of the Video Marketing Blaster software, so you can actually see how you can actually use this software to, generate your title tags and descriptions with a few clicks. So let's go and jump right into it. All right, guys, so I'm actually inside the back office of the software Video Marketing Blaster, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just do a quick demo for you guys so you can actually see all the different capabilities and how you can actually start generating like these perfectly SEO title tags and descriptions with your videos. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee you that you're going to actually get all of the top rankings, but as you can see, sometimes I got like number 2 or 3, and sometimes I was at number 6. Now, the more videos that you actually create and you apply these different, title tags and descriptions, the more increased chances you're going to be able to get those top rankings. So my suggestion is to utilize this software to go ahead and get the perfect title tags and descriptions, and then make multiple videos so that you can actually have a higher probability of ranking for those particular products or business opportunities or whatever you're trying to sell. Now, keep in mind, guys, I will have a link in the description for Video Marketing Blaster, and if you go ahead and pick up the Video Marketing Blaster through my link, I will also send you an additional private video, which is something that I've actually never shown on my channel at all, that you can actually use to actually also increase traffic on YouTube, right? So you're going to get a special private video that shows you how some other 2 techniques that you can actually use to get continued traffic on your YouTube videos. So let's go and jump right into this demonstration. So the first thing you want to do is you want to actually type in your root keyword to just give you some different ideas of some keywords that you can actually go after, because you can make multiple, title tags and description type templates. So if you want to target, like I did my online startup and I did my online startup review, so you can target different keywords. So if I was let's just take that for an example, and let's just do my online startup, and I can just do like a search for that. And what this is going to do is it's going to just click on research, And we're going to click on start new search. And what this is basically going to do is it's going to go out to like Google and YouTube and Yahoo and the different search engines, and it's going to find relevant keywords that are currently getting traffic for this root keyword, my online startup. So as you can see, it's working. It's saying almost 100% complete. And then as we get to 100% complete, you'll be able to kind of see the long laundry list of keywords that you can potentially target. So as you can see here, you have like my online startup review, my online startup login, my online startup scam. You have my online startup make money online, my online startup review and bonus. So you can basically see the different keywords that are already coming up in Google and YouTube, right? So you kind of have an idea of specific keywords that you can actually target for your actual video. So once you kind of have an idea, what you would just need to do is very simple. You just click over to video details. And then you're going to want to actually create your title tags and description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate details here. And then you want to keep this on English, of course. And then all you want to do is just type in whatever the root keyword that you're trying to target. So I'm going to do my online startup again. And then you can see here, as I typed in this keyword, it basically gave me two suggestions of titles here. So it says my online startup 2020 video, my online startup 2020. So these are like two different keyword or titles examples that they gave you right off the bat. So basically you just want to keep that on general. If you're just trying to do like make money online or affiliate products, you want to keep this general. And then you want to just go to next. And then it's going to have you come up with some secondary keywords, and you'll see how all of this is going to make sense in a minute, because it's going to basically build you your whole YouTube title, description, and tags SEO template here. So my main keyword is my online startup. It has some other suggestions if I wanted to change that, but then I can go ahead and put in like secondary keywords, and I believe you can do up to 5 secondary keywords. So I can go ahead and click my online startup review and bonus, my online startup, let's do scam, let's do what is my online startup, let's do my online startup commissions, and let's do one more, make money with my online startup. So I got my root keyword, I have some secondary keywords, and then I'm just going to click next again. And then this is where I would put in my website. So you can put in whatever the website that you're trying to send the traffic to. You can also put in like your video, your YouTube channel, or videos. You can put in your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So you can like basically post out to your social media accounts or whatever like that. And literally all you're going to do is just click on generate, and you're going to click generate details again. And then you're just going to say okay. And then you'll be able to just kind of click here, and you can see all the video details that have already been done for you. So you can basically have like my online startup review and bonus, and it has amazing. So that can be your title, right? And then your description, it says you can learn more about my online startup. You can check it out here, and it has my website link that I put in there. And then it basically kind of just takes you through the description, and see how it's using these different keywords. This video is presenting my online startup valuable information, but also try to cover the following subjects: my online startup review and bonus, my online startup scam, what is my online startup. You see how they're kind of intermixing those secondary keywords in here, and then it just goes on, and it basically puts in those keywords, and then here you have all your tags here as well. Now, what I have done a lot of times is I will actually edit this a little bit just to make it flow a little bit better. You can just copy and paste it, obviously, if you want to, but I've kind of just edited it a little bit just to kind of make it a little better. It also gives you different examples. So like if you hit this little button here, it'll give you different ways of saying that particular sentence, so you can add a sentence in this actual description. And so basically, once you're done, you basically can just take all of this information, copy and paste it. So I can just go here and say copy to clipboard, and then I would just go over to YouTube, paste my title, description. I would just do copy here, copy to clipboard, paste my description, right? Same thing with the tags. And now you have a fully optimized video with your title, description, and tags for the My Online Startup. So not only would you do that, so I would just do this for My Online Startup, which is that root keyword, but then do it again for My Online Startup Review. You can do it again for My Online Startup Scam. You could do it again for My Online Startup Review and Bonus. So you could create, that's 4 videos right there, and you have all of this SEO'd for you. Linking back to all those different secondary keywords and just giving you all that good SEO juice. So this is Video Marketing Blaster. The cost of the software is $27. There is some upsells that I did not purchase personally, but you guys can check it out for yourself. But for $27, I think this is a no-brainer to give you some examples of keywords that you can target, and then go ahead and give you a skeleton of what your title, description, and tags are going to be. It's a no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer for $27. You can't beat that. And again, if you guys want to go ahead and buy through the link in this description, I'll send you guys an additional bonus video of 2 additional tips that you can actually do to help with your rankings and the whole SEO juice to rank your videos in YouTube and Google. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all I got for right now. And make sure you hit the like if you like this video, and make sure you comment below. That really helps the channel out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like these type videos. I'm going to be making a lot more of these type software videos and actually showing you guys the inner workings of everything. And I hope that it brought you some value, and I hope that you understand more how the software works. And so this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.